YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy, you already know. This is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, yes, we're just gonna get into the vid. MX 95s dropped the other day, matter of fact, Saturday. Don't know why they didn't drop for Air Max Day, but whatever. But yeah, they did drop. Retail was $180. I think with tax it came to $193. Shout out to Takeout for holding it down. They had that event that you had to cop like some socks for Air Max Day, and your name goes in the raffle. And what do you know?
I don't like that shit for sure, bro. I don't like that shit.
So we go right here. We go to box. Nike Air Max 95 OG, black, neon, yellow, cool gray. Y'all know how to read? No! I ain't gonna act like I haven't seen him because I saw him yesterday, so bam, here they go, boom. Yeah, our first looks, definitely a clean sneak that I've always admired, I ain't gonna lie. Like, especially this colorway, because like I said, back in the day, when they first dropped, I wasn't getting this pair. It wasn't until, sheesh, it wasn't until 2020 I got my first pair. I had to make do with the Maze. Word, hell yeah. But anyway, man, let's go ahead and get into it. Boom. You got your patented Air Max 95 sole right there. It's black and neon. You got your PSIs right there. Nike Air and the swoosh right there, leading all the way up. Now, I ain't gonna front this, and I might have said it in my other video. In my mind, it's the tire, well, cause I mean, hell, PSIs, tire pressure. But in my mind, these are those little nubs that be on the tires. Might be right, I don't know, I ain't do no research. I'm just here to rock them, and that's just what I'll do. We're gonna take it to the medial side. The medial side, you got your black midsole right there. Air Max 95 Air unit right there. Big bubble treatment, I don't care. Nah, got your big bubble treatment right there. Boom, right there, boom, and right there. Yeah, neon colorway inside of the Air unit. Take to the upper, you got the suede overlays. It's kind of go from like a darker gray and it goes all the way up to a light gray. I definitely like that. White mesh on the upper, you can see the, I guess you can call them lace tabs. Yeah, you got your lace tabs right there. Then you got your black mesh right there. Now we're gonna take it to the lateral side. The side gets all the what? Lateral side, when it comes to the midsole, same as the medial side. Black midsole, big air bubble right there, and right there. Neon colorway inside of the Air unit. And the upper, same on the lateral side with the suede overlays, except for you got your Nike swoosh in neon green. Same white mesh, same black mesh, same lace tabs. The toe, you got that suede, dark gray, smoke gray. Yeah, that's that colorway. Now you got your white mesh section right there, leading all the way up to the tongue, black mesh. 3M right here. You got your laces, speckled as a matter of fact. White mesh is part of the tongue. Then you got your cushiony area right here in white. You got your Air Max tab right there. The Air lettering in white, Max in neon green. Gray and black inside the circle, surrounded by neon green. Take it to the back of these girls, boom. Big bubble. You got your black midsole right there. Big bubble Air unit right here. You see the neon green colorway. Leading all the way up. Back part right here is 3M. You will also see those different colors of gray and suede. All the way at the top, you got your Nike Air lettering in the swoosh in black. Puffed out. Will he do it? Will he do it? Yeah, baby. Yes! I knew it. You got your neon green insole. Nike lettering, the swoosh, and Air Max in black. Here's inside the sneak. Yeah, you'll definitely want to try to keep that clean. I mean, you know, whatever socks go. And speaking of socks on the arm foot, I'm a little lazy, so I'm just gonna keep white socks on. My bad, but I do have the Apothecary socks that, matter of fact, 2 pair.
You got money, he got money.
That they dropped the day of the Air Max Day event up at Takeout. Like I say, shout out to Takeout again. So let me know, man. I know that these were limited. I did hear on some sneaker show that they're gonna be dropping again, but it's not gonna have the big air bubbles. I don't know how true that is. That's just something that I heard, but you know, that is wild. Somebody put in the comments 17,000 pairs were made. I don't know. I just know that they were limited and they wasn't like that. I did hear of people paying $350 and a little bit more up for these. There was no way that I was gonna do that. I would have just took the L and kept it pushing with my 2020 pair. Yeah, so, and I still got my 2020 pair fresh, so I'm gonna get more wears out of those. I'm gonna rock the other ones as gym shoes, and these will probably see the light of day, let's say about 2020. Oh, damn, I'm about to say 2025 is 2025. No, it'll probably see the light of day about 2028, you know what I'm saying? Give or take. Hell yeah, so I'm gonna give you a few more looks. Let me see, oh, and another thing I forgot to mention, I'm sorry. the stitching.
The stitching in the 2025 is supposed to be closest to the OG pair.
Yeah, man, so let me know. Let me know, did y'all cop? Did y'all pay the up? Or did y'all say F all that? Anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all ready? We're gonna do that top 5 best on foot on YouTube. And I wanna give a shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. What's coming up next? Finally, I got this sneak that I've really been waiting for. That's coming through tomorrow. I got an unboxing that I'm gonna do in that video too. So we're gonna get it going, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my niggas.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max Bigger Belly. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow.
Paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Paper route. Oh, this fucking paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Oh, this fucking paper route. Oh, this fucking paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Oh, this fucking paper. Woo! Tell them. Woo! Woo! Tell them. Woo! Woo! Tell them. Woo! Like a. Yeah. Yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go. But I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor. Girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Cause I'm on a paper route. I just let my whole steam poppin' cause the hood breeze. Checks is coming in now. I fuck up a good thing. Promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hood brings. Talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking? Why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, then I ain't off it. I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice flow. That's just how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Bang, 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 bang. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go. But I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor. Girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. I can never stand by. I promise that career's gonna be on standby. Very bottle landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. I'm early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still a leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about an island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Ooh. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go. But I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor. Girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Cause I'm on a paper route. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go. But I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor. Girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Cause I'm on a paper route.
When they talking about what he's not, I don't never feel like I'm underrated. First of all, everything I got, I work for. I wasn't given to me. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta keep working hard.
Everything y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy. I do other things, man. I don't do what y'all
In the
niggas.
streets, who's the hottest? Nigga, ball for ball, look for look, bitch for bitch. That's me, bro.